Hey everyone, Mitchell here from Mitchell Makes Vids. Today we are discussing ARS Pharmaceuticals, ticker SPRY, SPRY, a biopharmaceutical company behind Neffy, the first and only needle-free epinephrine nasal spray for treating severe allergic reactions, including anaphylaxis. Key update: ARS recently announced that China's National Medical Products Administration has approved Neffy 2mg. This triggers a $4 million milestone payment and opens the door to up to $80 million in future sales milestones from their partner. Despite the positive regulatory win, shares are down around 6% in recent trading. Classic sell the news reaction after prior gains. Analysts remain bullish with buy ratings and price targets well into the 30s, citing strong U.S. launch momentum and international potential. As always, this is not financial advice. Do your own research. Like, subscribe, and hit notifications for more stock updates. Thanks for watching. Guys, check the links in the video description below. Make some cash. Become a member of my YouTube channel today. We'll see you in the next one.